everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here, and if you're new, hi, my name is Anna, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys around my house to show you how to slowly turn your house over into more of a natural home and what easy switches you can make to be more cautious of ingredients and slowly switch over to being more natural. I am nowhere near perfect. I still have some candles around, I still use bleach and cleaner, but I do make a couple swaps to, lead me in that direction of being more mindful of labels, but also just, slowly making the changes because it is hard to completely change over all at once. And it's kind of a rabbit hole if you go down into ingredients and being natural. You can always probably be better, but I just feel like these swaps were pretty easy for me and I wanted to show you guys and take you along. So grab a snack, grab a drink, whatever you're drinking. I have my water right here, and let's go to the guest bedroom. That is our first stop. Bella's in here all curled up on the guest bed. She's adorable. Okay, here is the first thing that I want to talk about, and that would be essential oils. When I first started getting into essential oils, I actually bought a starter kit from Young Living. I got this gorgeous diffuser, and then I actually, my mom got me another one. So I have two diffusers in my home, one in the guest bedroom and one in our master. I love these because it helps the humidity, especially in the winter time. And then of course it also smells amazing. Now you don't have to get a starter kit because you do get a lot of oils with the starter kit, and I found that I didn't use all of them, so almost it would have been better if I had just gotten the diffuser and then gotten a couple oils. But here's my little collection. You get a bunch of them, like Stress Away, frankincense, like just so many. But if you're just starting off with essential oils, I would almost say that getting a diffuser and then getting some citrus would be a good idea, or lavender, because lavender is really good for sleeping, and so you can just start off with that. I love putting lemon or orange in the house, like maybe you have a diffuser in your kitchen. It makes it smell so clean and fresh. Putting a citrus scent in is really nice. Here is the important thing about oils though. You want to make sure that you're getting therapeutic grade. There is like synthetic grade, fragrance grade, I think food grade, and then there's therapeutic grade. So many companies are saying that they have pure essential oils. You can go to Bath and Body Works and they have essential oils. They are not real therapeutic grade essential oils. They can say that they have pure essential oil if they put like one drop of essential oil in, one pure drop of essential oil, and then they can fill the rest with filler. So these are pure, like the whole bottle is therapeutic grade essential oils. Another really good brand is doTERRA. You can also get it from local places. I do have this local place near me, and I trust them. They said it's pure lavender. They actually own a lavender farm, and so they make their own oils. So you can find something that isn't a big company, maybe locally, that is still therapeutic grade, but just not as well known. You just don't want to go to Walmart or Bath and Body Works and get these pure essential oils because they're not real therapeutic grade ones. There are so many fun accessories you can get with essential oils. So this is like a little hand sewn carrier, and so you can put them in and then you roll it up and you can just take it to go. I don't find myself using this very often just because essential oils, like anything else, you can go deep into the rabbit hole. I mean, you can use essential oils for perfume, for cleaning, for like helping headaches. I mean, I used to take a peppermint roller and I would roll it on my temples. This one is a relax, and so it just has the lavender in it. You can, put it on your wrist and smell that. But Young Living even has like makeup, body care. And so if you really want to go an easy way of figuring out what natural products work for you, like I would say the Young Living brand has so much. You could swap out your cosmetics, your body care, your cleaning products, and they have everything. And that would be, you would know everything was really good and pure. I haven't taken that step yet, but I do think that is something I'm interested in because it's just so fun. And then you can even get into making your own. So if you're into gardening, You could even, let's say have a little lavender patch and dry the lavender, make your own oils. I know some people make their own lotions, like maybe they will use essential oils or even their own plants and, make their own lotions and stuff like that. So that is the first thing that I think is a really good swap, because it's just easy. If you do get the starter kit, they send you like a booklet, and it's a whole learning curve, but it is a very fun hobby and it's fun to learn about. I also even looked up the science when I was like super into essential oils. It is scientifically proven, like I'm gonna butcher this, like the particles are so minuscule that you actually do smell that, like you breathe them into your bloodstream. And so there's like actually a science behind it, which is so cool. Now, I am not perfect. I do still have candles. I enjoy getting candles. They're pretty, but I just don't burn them as often, and I don't have them, in every room of the house. They're mostly for looks, honestly, now. But if you are going to burn them, you want to make sure you get soy wax candle, because then it's just like pure soy instead of, Bath and Body Works. I feel like I'm really digging on them, but you guys know I'm not perfect. I'm still going to shop there, but I'm just saying. Just gotta let you know. Let's move on to my bedroom now. Here is the other diffuser right by my husband's side of the bed. And no, we do not have a comforter on our bed right now because we don't have AC, and so it gets a little hot up here. Okay, so this is what I want to talk about next, the perfume and the deodorant. So first up is deodorant. This is a very simple swap. Next time you're at the drugstore, Walmart, wherever, just look for Native. It is aluminum free, paraben free. They have a bunch of different scents. This one is cucumber and mint. If you don't like this formula, just don't give up on the aluminum free. Dove has now aluminum free. There's so many at the store that you can just go in and look at. Aluminum free deodorant. My husband hasn't made the switch yet, and it'll say right on there, like, this contains aluminum something something, because it's like antiperspirant. So it's pretty easy to make that swap. I even find in Native deodorant, if I don't like the formula of one kind, I will literally just switch the scents, and I don't know, for some reason the cucumber mint works best for me. This next thing is probably my favorite, and it is the perfume called Henry Rose. This perfume brand was created by Michelle Pfeiffer. When she was pregnant, she said she was looking at labels and fragrance was so bad with all the synthetic ingredients, and so she, designed this and started this. I am not even going to lie to you guys. My mom got this for me, and I was like, no it girl is gonna have this natural perfume because it probably doesn't smell that good, I mean, I was super excited to try it. I don't know why. I just didn't think it would be that good. It is some of the best perfume I've ever smelled in my entire life. And my husband will even compliment certain scents. So my mom actually got us, my sister and I, the little pack. So this is one of them, and then it comes with another one. There's 10, I think. And so you get 10 little samples, and that was so fun because it also came with this little booklet, and it tells you about the things. And so I've been actually making notes in my little booklet of ones that I like. And then also it's so cool because I like vanilla, coffee type scents, warm, sensual scents. Well, my husband was never complimenting me when I was spraying those. And so I was like, that's weird. Does he just not, can he not smell? I mean, he doesn't have the greatest nose, but I was like, why does he never compliment my perfume? And that was actually when I was wearing YSL and stuff, which is, a luxury brand, it girl type perfume. But I put on the scent Jake's House from Henry Rose, which is clean. That's how it describes it. Watery, clean freshness encounters honeyed neroli for a light and clean musky finish. Never in my life would I have chosen that one. I spray it, my husband says something every time, and he doesn't even know if I sprayed it. So the other day I sprayed it on myself in my closet, and he's coming up the stairs, way over there, and he's like, did you spray room spray? I was like, no, that's the perfume that you always love. And so it just blows my mind. There's so much depth in all these scents, which is what I think really amazes me, because you read about notes in perfume and I feel like we all kind of understand, but we're like, okay, I can kind of smell that, but whatever. These, you can smell each and every single thing. Like, I'll read you guys another example. Oh, this one is one of my favorite. It's floral woody, and it's called Sheep's Clothing. The unexpected burst of pink peppercorn creates a perfect juxtaposition within the softness evoked from Turkish rose, absolute, and amber woods. And it is crazy because you like smell the peppercorn and you smell the rose, like everything that it describes, all these notes and all this depth that it describes, you smell. It is so mature and so like just incredible, you guys. I cannot talk about this enough. Her little quote is that you shouldn't have to sacrifice quality for safety. And so not only do I think these perfumes smell absolutely incredible, they are, safe, and they're safe for if you're pregnant or have kids around, and it's a perfect step in the right direction of being a more natural home and having more natural products on yourself. Up next is the kitchen. Let's go down there. The items I want to talk about here is distilled white vinegar and baking soda. I'm actually going to talk about the vinegar and the baking soda here in my dining room because my fridge is, doing its thing and it's kind of loud. You can literally use vinegar and hot water to clean your mirrors and your windows. And then if you want to clean your toilets, you can just, put some vinegar and some baking soda and it makes this foam. And you can clean those that way. And then even like your washer, you can put vinegar and baking soda in your washer and it cleans that. Literally almost anything you can clean with vinegar. You can just put it in a bottle and you have a multi-purpose cleaner diluted with water, of course. But then even you can take some of those essential oils and put it in there too, and you just have your own homemade cleaner. I also love to take baking soda and I just dump it on, don't dump it, but I sprinkle it on the carpets and then I vacuum and it just smells so nice. I do the same thing to our mattress. If you sprinkle baking soda on your mattress and then vacuum it up, it makes it so fresh. You can put baking soda in your hair, like in your shampoo, just to get a little bit more exfoliating and clean. Your toothpaste, you can sprinkle some on there. You can put baking soda in your fridge and it'll just be smelling nice. You can, mix baking soda and essential oils. Like, there are just endless recipes and stuff for essential oils, baking soda, and vinegar. We are moving on to the bathroom now, and a couple things I want to talk about in here: handmade soap and room spray. This room spray is by the same local place I was talking about that makes their own essential oils from lavender. They make this lemongrass and lavender essential oil spray. And so I get this, homemade, local, smells amazing. I have a pure lavender one too that I can spray on our pillowcases and our bed. And it's just like the best. It smells so delicious and fresh and clean. I keep this in the bathroom for like little, if people need to use it. And I also spray this on our towels in our bathroom. You can also, like I said, home make these if you have essential oils. You can just, dilute them and make your own room spray. But if you're lazy like me, I get this from a local farm. I'm sure you guys, if you go to craft shows or go on Facebook or something, Instagram around you, like there will be people making these. And then I also get this handmade soap from my friend. She makes it all natural ingredients. It's like olive oil, essential oils, some other things. And so I get that from her. And I think that's like a good switch, not only for more natural ingredients, but also less plastic waste, because she just sends them in like little paper bags, like all the soaps together, and it's not like a plastic bottle that's going in the garbage or even recycling. It makes me happy, like supporting local people and then also helping our household become more natural as well. If you guys want an easy way to figure out what ingredients are, natural and actually natural, like instead of just marketing, there is an app called Think Dirty. I will link it down below if I can. It is an app that you just scan your product and it tells you, like for real, how bad it is or how good it is. You guys I'm sure have seen that, like on TikTok, people will, scan a bunch of sunscreens and figure out what ones are best. And marketing Scams, like seriously, you guys, it can say all the things and you will think it is good, but it's just not. So I definitely recommend that app. But remember, you don't have to be perfect. Any little change is better than nothing. I still have candles, like I said. I still use regular makeup. I still have normal perfumes and cleaner and type and stuff like that. But I do think that it feels good to just be headed in the right direction and have a little start and just have some knowledge on that type of stuff. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. It really helps out my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell for post notifications. I upload twice a week and you will be notified every time a video goes live. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.